welcome to Skin Transforming Chat. I'm the Skin Transformer, Kaori Pilv, and today I will talk about skin balance and skin barrier. This is super important topic, and if you want to have a good skin, you must have good skin barrier. You know, when I mention about skin barrier, often people actually don't take it seriously, or some people even don't know what it is. But understanding about your skin barrier well, it can improve your skin condition so much faster than applying expensive serums or creams. By listening to this episode until end, you will know what skin barrier is, and hopefully you will have a clear understanding of why skin balance and skin barrier is so important. Okay, for those of you who doesn't know me, my name is Kaori Pilv. I am a certified esthetician and a creator of a contour forest, which is a needless natural contouring method. So basically, this channel is a skin educational channel to teach how you can transform your own skin safely and correctly. So if you have some skin issues and want to get a better skin, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, I'm sharing useful skin tips on the Instagram and like a Facebook, so please check it out and don't forget to follow me. And I also offer more of like personalized one-on-one skin advice session as well. So if you want to get like result quickly and want to speak to me about your skin directly, then please book one-on-one skin transforming chat through my website kpbeautycreative.com. So the link is in bio and under description as well. Okay, let's move to today's topic. Alright, today's topic is skin balance and skin barrier. So this is a super important topic, as I said, and a lot to cover. So I had to divide it in a few different episodes. So for this episode, I will be telling what it is. So what is balanced skin? What is skin barrier? And how important to have good skin barrier? And in other episode, I will cover the cause of skin barrier damage. And then in another episode, I will tell you how you can solve it. Yeah, there's so much to cover. So ideally, it's the best if you can listen every episode, especially with this skin barrier topic, because it's very fundamental. And whatever is the skin issue you have, the skin barrier is something you need to address always. So usually it is like the first thing you need to deal with. So it's important you understand about skin barrier very well. Without knowing the skin barrier, what it is, the cause, and the solution, I don't think you can get better skin. So let's dig in. Okay, first one. What is balanced skin and not balanced skin means? Okay, so this question can dig pretty deeply. You know, if we start speaking about all the bacteria on the skin flora, the pH balance, I can't name every single bacteria we have. I can't name like every single flora we have. That's just like going crazy. So, and complicated. So, you know, my name, I don't want to make this channel to be like so complicated chemical or biological channel. It's just it should be more like easy to understand kind of channel. So let's make it simple. So simply, good balanced skin means healthy skin. Is that clear now? So good balanced skin is healthy skin. Healthy skin has two main key things, which are: one, healthy skin have a good balance of oiliness and water. Number two, the healthy skin have a strong, healthy barrier function. Now, you can think about like someone around you who always have good skin. Like I'm sure you can think at least one person around you that who always have good skin and then you are jealous about. Especially when I have like skin issues. I look at the people and then like, oh, why is this person having like so good skin? And like I never seen that this person has like problem with the skin. She is a lucky one. Yeah, so I'm sure like you can seek someone. We all have one at least, yeah. So I usually call these type of people who always have good skin as the lucky one. And if you have been suffering from like some skin issues, most likely you have to ask these lucky ones like this.
What are you doing to have such nice skin?
Right? And I've done that a million times to people. And sometimes I scare people, like, I just like randomly bump like, hey, what do you use for your skincare? Like you have such a beautiful skin, And then often, like these lucky ones will usually say, I don't really do anything. And then we'll be like,
oh, really? Are you serious? You gotta be lying, right?
Well, the truth is, they're most likely not lying, and then some are like really not doing much at all. And why is that? It's not fair, right? But the secret behind this lucky one is pretty simple. So they possibly have these two main key factors naturally. So they naturally have a good skin balance and a strong barrier function. Of course, that's not 100% everything, but it matters a lot. And I will say, especially about the skin barrier. So now, especially about the skin barrier. So now, let's look into the skin barrier closer. So the skin barrier is the first thing we need to deal with when you're trying to get better skin. And without having a good barrier function, you will never ever get better skin. So what is the barrier function to your skin then? Let me explain. Skin is your largest organ in your body and acts as a protective barrier. Yes, skin is an organ, don't forget that. Some people don't really think like skin is an organ, but yeah, skin is an organ. And then skin has multiple layers, and each layer has different functions. And we have 3 main layers, and within these 3 layers, we have multiple layers inside. This is I'm talking about skin. Okay, then the skin barrier is located in uppermost layer of the skin. That's where you can actually physically touch. Right? And then the function of skin barrier is, number 1, to protect your body against irritant like UV rays, pollutions, damaging chemicals, harmful microbes, etc. So basically it is preventing the penetration of a compound into your body via skin. Number 2, for the function of the skin barrier, number 2 is preventing excessive water loss and locking moisture and the nutrition within. It's like a shield. So if you are on YouTube, you can have a look at the picture, and if you want to see actual picture, and if you are like listening through the podcast or the Spotify, yeah, please, you can go to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Skin Transforming Chat with Kaori Pilv. This picture should give like a bit of like better image of what the good skin barrier means and what skin barrier means. So the uppermost layer of the skin, which is the pinky beige cells, and then like the liquid matrix, the yellow one between cells, are so called skin barrier. So imagine, so like for those of you who is just listening, yeah, just imagine yourself as a brick house. You can think of a skin barrier like a brick wall. So the cells are bricks, and then the liquid matrix are the mortar. With a good skin barrier, which is a light one in the picture, it shield well and protecting your skin and body against irritant. So it also locking hydration and moisture balance within as well. And on the other hand, bad skin barrier one is allowing penetration of irritants like UV rays, which is the main cause of aging. And this means your skin get damaged and influenced much more easier. Also, your skin can't keep moisture and water within very well. So as a result, you can feel dry, tight, or flakiness. Imagine if it was a house, the bad barrier one means somewhere outside you have broken part, and the bricks are broken. And from there, you get rain, cold wind, dust, insects, and so on. And your house cannot keep warm. So that's not functional house, right? That is happening to the skin same. So when you are experiencing following symptoms within your skin, such as like irritations, tightness, dryness, itchiness, or looking dull and tired, uneven skin tone and redness or blemishes, it might be a sign of your skin have a poor barrier function. Please look at this picture who has a poor barrier function. You can see skin is dehydrated, and we can see dehydration line as well. So this is like pretty I wouldn't say mild, but like it's a mid stage of a poor skin barrier sign. It also has a bit of redness as well. Okay, so the dehydration line and the wrinkle is different. Dehydration line is like very more fine lines. So like some people calling it as like fine lines. But like fine lines is like in between, like, it can be like expression wrinkles, but it's just like, still not too deep. But like dehydration line is something that is purely coming out. It's because your skin is dehydrated. So if you see this, or like if you feel dehydration within your skin, you better act quickly and hydrate your skin. And poor skin barrier can appears hold your skin, so it can be appearing like to hold your face, but it also could be partially appearing too. So commonly people get barrier function issues around the nose, mouth, or eyes area. This is very common area. Like I often see from like clients, like they have like quite good barrier on the cheek area, but like mouth area or like nose area, they have like some issues. Reason why it's happening is it's possibly like we are applying like product from the cheek area often, and then just some people forgetting to apply properly like whole the mouth area or like eyes area, like they tend to forget, and then they are not getting like benefit of the skincare. Yeah. So like just to try to like if you find like this area like dryness and then like tightness or like itchiness of this area, then like you need to be just like concentratedly apply the skincare. For body, joint area or inner area is common as well, because these areas of skins are often more delicate. Speaking about delicate skin, the under eyes, the skin is very thin. It's the thinnest there. The first layer of eye area skin is about 0.02 millimeters, which is similarly to the egg membranes. Like when you broke the egg, there's egg membranes. That's how thin it is, and that is only like 1/3 of thickness compared to other areas of the skin. So the best not to rub or scratch your eyes hardly or using a harsh product there. That's causing the damage to your skin barrier. So please remember, skin barrier is highly permissible, but also it's super delicate, especially around the eyes area. So last things I want to cover is how important to have a good skin barrier. Well, I've been saying it's important, so yes, it is very important. Okay, the reason why I've been keep saying skin barrier is so important is because the skin barrier is the front line of your skin. So imagine yourself as a castle. Yes, you as a castle, not a house now. And skin barrier is your front line army force or wall of castle, trying to protect your skin and actual body against enemies such as like UV rays, pollutions, dust, bacteria, harsh chemicals, and so on. So your skin has a lot of enemies attacking to you, trying to attack to you. And you don't want these enemies to break through your barrier. Otherwise, enemy force will get and start attacking. So it's important to have a strong skin barrier function at all the time. And if any reason, if it's getting weaker, then fix as quickly as possible to prevent future damages. If you leave damaged skin barrier, which means you are under the risk of attack. The longer you leave the damaged barrier, it can cause more of the damages. Okay, so that was a brief explanation, but it was about the skin barrier and how important it is. So as packing up, please remember, skin barrier is important as its frontline force, protecting your skin and yourself. So don't underestimate the power of the skin barrier. Always you should support your skin barrier and give a good, tender, loving care. Okay, so in next episode, I will explain the cause of skin barrier damage. So if you don't know what is causing skin barrier damage, you might be unconsciously attacking your own skin barrier. So to not mess up, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. If you found this episode somehow useful, even a little bit, please leave some positive comments. I would really appreciate it. And if you have anything you want me to cover, please let me know too. Alright, thank you so much and see you next time. Bye!